Ever thought about traveling the world all by yourself? It's an enticing idea, isn't it? The freedom to explore at your own pace, the chance for self-discovery, and the thrill of unexpected adventures. Solo travel can seem a bit daunting at first, but with the right preparation, it can turn into an experience that's as enriching as it is exhilarating. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Stick around as we delve into the ultimate guide to solo travel, covering safety, planning, and adventure. So, you're ready to embark on your solo journey. Where do you start? Well, the fun part is in the planning. And it's not just about picking your destination, but really diving deep into the research. Get a feel for the culture, the customs, and the vibe of the place. Find out the must-visit spots, the hidden gems, and the best local cuisines. Understand the transportation system, whether it's the city buses, trams, or bicycles. And of course, sort out your accommodation, whether it's a cozy Airbnb or a bustling hostel. But here's the thing, while planning is essential, flexibility is key. Allow room for spontaneity. Maybe you'll find a local festival, or stumble upon a beautiful hidden beach, or make friends who invite you to a home-cooked meal. These unplanned moments often become the highlights of our trips. Remember, the key to a successful solo trip lies in the planning. When you're on your own, safety becomes even more critical. As a solo traveler, you are the captain of your ship, and it's essential to keep it on a safe course. Let's start with the basics. Always stick to public, well-lit areas, especially during the night. This simple tip can significantly reduce your risk of encountering any unsavory situations. Next, keep your personal belongings secure. This means more than just keeping an eye on your backpack. It's about being mindful of your surroundings and not leaving your belongings unattended. Another key point is to maintain regular contact with someone back home. This could be a quick message or a video call, just enough to let them know you're okay. Travel insurance is a must-have. It covers unexpected costs like medical emergencies or trip cancellations. Additionally, have an emergency contact in your destination country. This could be your hotel, a local friend, or the embassy. With these safety tips in mind, you can confidently navigate your solo adventure. Now that you're well prepared and secure, it's time to embrace the adventure. Step out of your comfort zone, taste the exotic cuisine, learn a few phrases in a new language, and make friends from around the globe. Solo travel isn't just about seeing new places. It's about experiencing new perspectives, personal growth, and creating unforgettable memories. It's about you, discovering parts of yourself you never knew existed. So go ahead, embrace the adventure that awaits. Safe travels.